Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, thank you. I am also fine. Once again, welcome back to our online classes. Yes, in the previous class, we were discussing about the lesson that is about speed, distance, and time. Yes, we calculated the speed by using the formula. Yes, distance by speed equal to distance by time. And if you want the distance, we can find distance. If you want speed into time, if you want time, then we can find distance by speed by using this. Now here there is a one simple problem that is very simple. Ram went to a ideal stationery shop. Ram went to a ideal stationery shop and he purchased some pencils, erasers and pen and marker and color pencils and paper and eraser. Yes, six items he purchased. With his items, they gave one more receipt. The shopkeeper he gave one more receipt. Yes, what's that? Yes, that is in the free of cost. They will give. Yes, if you want, you also go and purchase. Yes, up to purchasing everything, they will give one more. What you purchased, that details everything. Correct. That is the bill. Yes, bill. Yes, the bill is in a receipt like this. The bill. Yes, here the shop name, everything, bill number, date. Yes, the items, whatever items you purchased here, serial number and items name, the cost for the item and total amount, and here. Yes, what is the total amount? Their signature. Their signature here. They will sign signature. Everything it consists. Bill it has everything. Yes or no? Like this bills only today we will discuss how to prepare the bills and how to write the bills. About that is the lesson number 25. Your lesson number 25, bills. Yes. Lesson 25, bills. Yes, very simple. What are these bills? A bill is a return statement. A bill is a return statement that we get from the service providers. We will get from that one. We will get from a service providers. Yes, that tells us the amount we paid for our various services or we made purchases we made. Yes, that is the bill. About the bill definition, you write. Yes, this is simple. This is a statement. It shows us the statement. A bill is a return statement. A bill is a return statement. Yes, that we get from the service providers. Service providers, or that tells us what that tells. Amount we paid for, the amount we paid for various services, or we made purchases we made. For that, this tells us purchases we made. Yes, that is the bill. Example, yes, we can show the bill receipt. Yes, everybody has bills. If you go for a hotel, then you have had a tea, you have a tea. There also there is a bill. They will give a fees of 10 rupee. the bill for this tea is 10 rupee. There is the hotel name will be there, date will be there, and yes, hotel address will be there, everything. After that, what items you have, that is tea. Then one tea, if you had the cost per tea is, then total amount you paid, that signature, everything they will give. After that, you should pay amount and you should get the bill. Otherwise, they will take, in some hotels they will keep it them, otherwise they will give to you. Yes, very simple. Now here some bills are given. Yes, here the model of bills are given in your textbook. We can see page number 182. Yes, we receive bills for shopping from a store. Yes, we receive bills for shopping from a store for services such as electric supply, telephone facility, and gas supply. We will get yes or no for the telephone supply. Yes, telephone facility, electric supply, current supply, and for the yes, one more, gas supply. For the gas supply, for repair and maintenance of our house gadgets, repair and maintenance of our house gadgets also we get the bill. And next for yes, refilling vehicles with the petrol or diesel. Yes, to pay fuel, for the fuel, petrol or diesel, we yes pay the bill. And next, we must check the bills before making payments. We should check the bills before making payments. Yes, study this bill and notice the information it provides. Notice the information it provides. Here there is a bill, page number 182. Open page number 182. There is a sample of bill. With that, we will study now about the bills. Yes, see page number 182. Page number 182. The bill model is given here. This is Ideal Provision Store. Yes, bill number it has. Yes, first before that, the bill has, each bill has name, address, telephone number, and bill number of the service provider shop. Everything it will be there. Name, address, telephone number, and bill number of the service provider shop. Yes. Next, data on which the items are sold. Which items are sold? About that, data on which items are sold, and serial numbers that of the items. The serial numbers that of the items. Then name and quantity of the items sold. Name and quantity of the items sold. Serial number, name, items, quantity. Next, price per unit of the item sold. Price per unit of the item sold. Next is yes, total cost of each item according to the quantity. Total cost. Here this should be, both should be multiplied. That is total cost of each item. Here 3 kg and 32. 3 into 32, 96 total cost. Yes, next is total cost of all the items purchased. Total cost of the all the items purchased. Next, signature of the yes, designated authority from the shop. Yes, in that shop the designated authority will be there now. That his signature. Last line. Yes, signature of the designated authority from the shop. Yes, these all will be there in each bill. Every bill has these all. Yes, here see bill number 151. Next, the name and address, telephone number, bill number, everything will be there. See, Ideal Provision Store, 293. Yes, Nepean Road, Mumbai, 400006. Phone number 123456778. Yes, name and address. Who is purchasing? Their name and address. It is Mr. Ashok Purohit, LD. Yes, Ruparel Marg, Mumbai. This is Ruparel Marg, Mumbai. Date 1/1/2010. Here serial number 1, 2. How many items did he purchase? He purchased 5 items. First one, description, serial number, description, quantity, and price per unit, total amount. 1. Wheat he purchased 3 kg. Yes, per unit, per kg 32 rupees. Then 3 into yes 32, it is 96 rupees. Then again tea leaves he purchased 1 kg. the cost per unit is 300. Then 300 per kg. He written 300. Next is he purchased sugar. How many kg? 2 kg sugar. Then 40 rupees per kg. 80 rupees total. 2 into 40. Soap 6 cakes he purchased. Yes. Then per cake 12.25 rupees. Then total 6 into 12.25 is 73.50. And last one, toothpaste. He purchased the toothpaste and 2 tubes. How many tubes? 2 tubes. Then per tube the cost is 45.75 rupees. Then total is 91.50. The total amount what he purchased, that all together addition here, yes, 641 rupees. Then sign of the authority, signature of the authority, who is, yes, the designated authority from the shop. His signature they written here. This is the one model of a bill. Like this only we can have. Yes, you can compare with your bills. Yes, ask your parents. They might have so many bills. Then they will show you to the other bills also. Yes, here page number 183. After seeing this bill, we can, yes, calculate the total amount what they paid for the in this given bill. Yes, page number 183. Bill number, the Ideal Stationery Store. There is the Ideal Stationery Store's bill. Yes, its bill number is 101. It is from Forget Street, Mumbai. Ideal Stationery Store. Yes, Forget Street, Mumbai 400006. Yes, phone number 23861003. Here the number is given. The name and address of purchaser. Then date 16 January 2010 he purchased. Yes, who is that? Mrs. Yes, Kanta Biani. Yes, Mrs. Kanta Biani. Yes, Manav Mandir Road, Mumbai. Yes, this is bill purchased by the Kanta Biani. Yes, Manav Mandir Road, Mumbai 400006. Then serial number, description, quantity, per price per unit, amount. Yes, pencils, 2 dozen pencils he purchased. How many dozen pencils? 2 dozen pencils. Then what is the cost of the pencils did he purchase? Yes, per dozen 48.50. Yes, then he purchased 2 dozens. 1 dozen is, yes, for 1 dozen 48.50, 2 dozen, then multiply with 2, it is 97 rupees. Yes or no? Here it is 97 rupees. Now we can write here 97 rupees, 97.00. Yes, next, rulers, half dozen. Per dozen is 70 rupees. Per dozen is 70, means 70 by 2. This is half dozen only purchased. Then it is of rupees 35 rupees. 35.00. Yes, ball pens, that is 1.5 dozen. 1.5 dozen, per dozen it is 80 rupees. Per dozen 80. 1 dozen 80, half dozen 40 rupees. Then 180 plus 40, it is 120 rupees. 120.00. And next he purchased paper clips. 1 box paper clip 25.75 rupees. 25.75 per box. For 1 box 25.75 rupees. He purchased only 1 box. Then you write the same amount rupees, 25.75 rupees. Yes. And last one, writing pads. He purchased writing pads. Yes, 3 writing pads. Per writing pad is 12.50 rupees. For 1 writing pad 12.5 rupees, 12.50 rupees. he purchased 3. Then what is the cost for this 3? We can write 37.50 rupees. Right, 37.50 rupees. Now we can add. Add all the here amounts written: 97, 35 rupees, 120 rupees, 25.75 rupees and 37.5 rupees. Yes, we can add. Find the sum of all these. Yes, here 5 plus there is nothing, 0 all, then 5. 7 plus 5 it is 12, 1 carry, write 2, then decimal number 1, 7, 8, 13, yes, 18, 25, again 2 carry, 5 write, yes, then 2 plus 9, 11, 14, 16, 18, 21, again 2 carry, 1, then 2 plus 1 it is, yes, of 3. Yes, then total how much rupees purchase they done? Yes, 315.25 rupees. 315.25 rupees. Then he can sign here, signature. You can sign yours. Yes, this is the preparation of bill for given. We made the total how much amount they have to pay. Who? That is Mrs. Kanta Biani has to pay 315.25 rupees. And second one bill is there. See, that is Ideal Ice Cream Parlor. That is from Ideal Ice Cream Parlor. Bill number 110. Yes, given bill number 110. The shop name Ideal Ice Cream Parlor, DN Road, Fort Mumbai 400001. Yes, phone number 23852536. 2385232536. This is the phone number. Everything, name, address. Check this. Bill number is there. Name, address is there. Yes, then date. Date is there. Name and address of the purchaser. Name and address of the purchaser. We can write. Yes, your name also we can write. ABC is your name. That is Sidrameshwar Nagar. Then yes, in Mumbai also there is a Sidrameshwar Nagar. We can write. Yes, Mumbai 400001. Yes. Then here the amount, serial number, description, quantity, price per unit, amount. Yes, first is vanilla ice cream. What ice cream parlor you are going means you are purchasing the ice creams now. Yes or no? Yes. First is vanilla ice cream. How many? 16 cones. Vanilla 16 cones. Then per cone it is 12.5 rupees. Per cone 12.5 rupees. Then you are purchased 16. Then we can write, yes, the cost is 16 into 12.50. Yes, that is 125 for 10. Again 2 means it is 25 rupees. 150 rupees. 150.00. Yes, next is 8 cones of strawberry. Strawberry 8 cones. Each cone cost is 14.50. Yes or no? Then 14 8s are, you should count 14 8s are 112. Then here 8 50s are, that is 4 rupees. 116 rupees. Total rupees of 116.00. Next is chocolate. 12 chocolates, 20. Chocolate, that chocolate flavor, 12 cones. Each cone is 20 rupees. Yes, then we can write 240 rupees. Next is pineapple. Pineapple flavor, 10 cones. 1 cone cost 24.25. Then 10 cones it is 240 42.5. Yes or no? One cone cost 24.25. Then 10 cones cost how much rupees? Multiply with 10. Then one decimal will be shifted. Yes or no? Next, coffee flavor 4 cones. Each cone cost is 21.25. 21 fours are 84. Then 425 paise, that is 1 rupee, 85 rupees. Write rupees 85.00. Add total amount 00 paise. Yes, decimal point. Here 5 paise is there. 50 paise, not 5. Then 6 to 8. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 carry 1 9. 1 8 9. 13. 17, 18, 23. Again 2 carry. Write 3. 2 2 6 8. 833.50 rupees. Yes or no? Simple no it is. Yes. Like this only we can prepare a bill for the given statements here. Yes. Page number, turn the page 184. You should prepare 4 bills. Yes. That will prepare on the board. Yes. Yes. See the question. First one. Prepare the following bills in your notebook. Yes. Miss Anjali went to Ideal Snacks Bar on 17/10/2011 at Nana Chowk, Grant Road, Mumbai 400007. Telephone number 298715551. Yes, 71551 to purchase snacks for her children. She ordered the following items. Yes, prepare the bill for the same. Here items: 6 cheese sandwich and 8 tarts for 9.25 rupees, 10 vegetable rolls and 12 samosas, half kg cookies and half kg here wafers for a 180 rupees a kilogram. Like this, she purchased 6 items. The first item is cheese sandwiches. Yes, here serial number 1, cheese sandwiches. How much did she purchase? Yes, she purchased quantity 6 quantity. The rate per unit means per quantity it is rupees 15.50 each. Yes, and second item what she purchased? 8 tarts per tarts. How many? 8. One tarts per. That's the price is rupees 9.25. Yes, then 10 vegetable rolls. Vegetable rolls. The cost is 16. How much she purchased? 10 vegetable rolls. You write here vegetable rolls 10. Each cost is 12.16 rupees, 16.00. Yes, after this 12 samosas. Samosa. Yes, 12. Each cost is 6 rupees. 6.00 or 6 only we can write. Yes, next is fifth one, that is cookies. How much did she purchase? Half kg. Means 1 kg, the rate is 60 rupees per kg. 60 rupees per kg. Then last one she purchased wafers. That cost is half kg. She purchased 1 kg 180 rupees per kg. Then here we multiply with these quantities and price per quantity, then we can get the total amount. 6 and into 15.5, that is 83.00 rupees we can get. Yes or no? 83.00. And here 9.2 into 8, 9 8 is 72.025 into 8 times it is. Yes, 4 times 1 means it is 2, then 74.00, 74.00. Yes, here 9 point you can multiply. 5 8 is 40. Yes, 9 8 2 is 16 20. Then 9 8 is 72 plus 4 74, 2 decimals. Then next is 16 into 10, 160. Vegetable rolls cost. Samosas 12 into 6, 12 6 is 72 rupees. And next is, yes, cookies half kg. 60 is 1 kg, half of 60 is 30. Yes or no? Then 30 rupees. Then here wafers half kg, full kg is 180 by 2. 2 ones are 2 nines are 90 it is. Then we can write 90. Now add all. Yes, now we can add all. 00 paise, then here rupees. 3 plus 4 7 9 rupees. Then 8 plus 7 15 plus 6 21 plus 7 28 plus 3 31 plus 9 40. 4 carry 0. 1 plus 4 5. Yes, total rupees 509 rupees. Then their signature, we can signature, their shopkeeper signature. Yes, like this the bill we can prepare. Very simple. This is A. We can prepare a bill. How much she has to Mrs. Anjali has to pay 509 rupees for their snacks for her children. Clear no? Yes, like this 3 more are there. Yes, that we will see. Write down this one, write neatly this one. Next one we will see now. Yes, see the second question, that is Miss Rita went to Ideal Provision Store. Yes, Provision Store on 2nd March 2011 at LD Rupalal. Yes, LD Rupalal Mark, Neponcia Road, Mumbai. Yes, LD Rupalal Mark here. This address Ideal Provision Store. Then LD Rupalal Mark, Neponcia Road, Mumbai 400006. And yes, she made the following purchases. Prepare the bill for the same. Yes, like this. This is the empty bill of the same. Miss Rita, date 2nd and the March, 2nd March. Yes, 2011. She went. Yes, what she purchased? First one, 4 kg rice, means serial number 1. First one, rice. How much? 4 kg. Per kg the rate is 50 rupees. The per kg rice at 50 a kg. 50 rupees per kg. She purchased. And 2 kg, second one. Yes, what that is? Yes, sugar 2 kg the rate is 40.50 per kg. Yes, for third one, wheat flour, 4 kg of wheat flour. Yes, the cost is for 1 kg it is 33.330 per kg. Yes, next half kg of tea leaves. Half kg per kg cost is 380 rupees per kg. Next what we purchase? Yes, fifth one, half kg of chili powder. How much did she purchase? She purchased half kg. Yes, 1 kg chili powder cost is 140 rupees per kg. Yes, and last is turmeric powder. Not half kg, 1/4 kg, quarter kg. Yes, 250 grams. Then it is 120 rupees per kg. 120 rupees per kg. Now we can calculate the what she has to pay. Yes, 4 into 50 we can write 200 rupees. 0.005. 2 into 40.50, that is 81 rupees we can. Yes, then 4 into 33, 433 is yes 132. 132.00. Next is half kg, 380 by 2. Yes, 2 ones are 2, 19 means 190 rupees. 190.00. Yes, half kg chili powder, 100 per kg. 1s are 7s are 70 rupees. 70 we can write. Next, turmeric powder, quarter kg. Quarter means divided by 4. 120 by 4. 4 ones are 4 3s are 30 then. Yes, rupees, 30 rupees chili powder. Yes, you need to draw the same everything in your notebook. Yes, here 0.000 decimal point. Yes, 1 plus 2 is 3. 8 plus 3 11, 9 20, 20 plus 7 27 plus 3 it is 30. Then here 2 2 4, 4 plus 3 is 7 rupees. 703.00 rupees Miss Rita has to pay. The signature of the shopkeeper, that authority. Yes, for whom it is given, provisional store authority, designated authority. This is the bill you have to prepare. Very simple. 2 more questions are there that you have to solve. Yes, prepare the bill in your notebook. If you get any doubt to prepare this bill, you can give a call to me. With this, we finished our lesson number 25, bills. Yes, you can collect your bills. Yes, this is the small activity. Minimum 5 bills of different store. One ideal provision store or ideal, yes, we can take stationery store or a hotel bill like that, or a petrol bill, petrol bunk they will provide a bill, diesel or petrols, that's fuel bill. Like that 5 bills you have to stick on a paper and send through the WhatsApp. That is your activity. With this we will complete today's session. Okay, thank you.